Hello everybody and welcome back to this masterclass on authentic Italian cuisine. My name is Francesco and I love helping people to cook their favorite meals at home. But really, for me, my passion is Italian cuisine. I have developed a rustic Italian cooking style based on memories from my childhood. Cooking with Nonna, working on the farm and fishing with Granddad. In this masterclass, I'm going to take you on a journey across all of Italy. We are going to experience Italy together. We are going to make simple and delicious dishes from the whole of the country, starting from my home, Sardinia, in the south, and working our way up to the very north. So, welcome to Modena. I'm so excited because we are making something really cool today. Fried gnocchi. These are really famous in Emilia-Romagna, in the very north of Italy, and they are not the potato gnocchi that you use for pasta. They are a simple hollow bread that is fried and can be served as part of every meal, and they are really fun to make. When they're frying, they bubble up and they look like little pillows. Let's get cooking. Andiamo. So I made already the dough because it's very simple, there is no skills involved, and this dough is made from flour, 00 flour. You need some sparkling water, or if you don't want to use sparkling water, you can use instead normal water and a little bit of yeast, but I like to use sparkling water because it's going to give that extra bubbles to our dough. Then you need lard. If you don't want to use lard, you can use olive oil or butter, that's up to you. Then you need some salt and a little bit of milk. That's all about this. Simple. So what we're going to do, we need to stretch this dough, and we're going to go through the machine a few times, and we're going to create basically a layer so that it's going to make even more bubbles to our dough. All right. Make sure you have some vegetable oil on, or sunflower oil, whatever you like, that's fine. And then we're going to go through the machine. If your dough is a little bit sticky, don't be shy, go with a little bit of flour on it, and then you can start straight away stretching it. When it comes out, as soon as it comes out, you want to fold it one time and go again on the same number. If you want to do this with a rolling pin, then you have to do exactly the same. Roll it and again one more time. Beautiful. Go straight in. And every time it's going to come out from the pasta machine, you need to feel the dough if it's wet or not. All right. Now we're going to go straight on number 5. Go in. I can feel it. It's a little bit wet. Add a little bit of flour and keep going. Number down. So we're going to go all in once until we get a really nice and fit dough. Stretch it, fantastic, and one more time. Beautiful. Look how big it's getting. Really nice, really thin, but always still, again, be careful. If it's getting sticky, it's going to get stuck into the machine. Fantastic. That's all you need to do. But you can feel the dough is a little bit thick, so you want these gnocchi fritti to be nice and crunchy. So we can go a little bit thinner, just a little bit more. If you are struggling because it's too big, then it's no problem. You can cut it and then go inside. And I can feel it. That is perfect. That is exactly what you want, right? Nice and thin. Now we're going to cut it. The shape of this gnocchi fritti doesn't really matter. It's up to you, whatever you like, right? It's very funky, yeah? Right? So go cut it. I'm going to cut it rectangles. You can do even some squares like this. Beautiful. Just like that. That is enough for me. Now, once you are ready, you have lots of gnocchi fritti, you have the raw dough. We're going to go straight inside the fryer. Now, if you don't have a prop, what you can do, you can take a little bit of flour and go in there and try the oil. I can see the oil is nice and hot now. I can go straight in with the gnocco. Just be very careful at this point. Go straight in, and you can see the gnocco look beautiful. Now it's getting nice and bubbly. Just be very careful. Turn it on the other side. It's going to stay there just a few seconds. Oh, I love it. Look at this beauty. Stir it one more time. Fantastic. Now very, very carefully, drain the oil. Take some paper and pour it in there. Just be very, very careful. I'm gonna fry just one more for show you. Again, the beautiful bubbles, they go in there. I just love making this, honestly. Here we are. Turn it on the other side. Fantastic. Just like that. And they go straight now. Make sure they are nice and brown. They go straight in here. And you want to put it on a piece of paper, because if not, they're going to be too oily. You want to drain the oil out just a little bit, okay? Once you see they drain the oil down, you can serve it on a beautiful plate, rustic plate, on the table, as simple as it is, like this. Just like that. Fantastic, yeah? So the gnocchi fritto, this gnocchi fritto, there is a beautiful story about this, because it was created around the 1960s. It used to be the lunch for the farmers, the countrymen that used to do hard work all day. So the gnocchi fritto was meant to be used as a fast lunch, okay? And you can serve it, this, exactly with whatever you like, all right? I love making this one. They are so simple, and then I love just the moment. You fry them up, and then they get nice and bubbly. And if you want, you can even save the dough. You can save the dough for about 3 days inside the fridge. You can even roll it out and keep it rolly with a little bit flour between the layers and leave it in the fridge. All right? What you can do, you can serve them with some cured meat, nice soft cheese. Oh, what I love to do, even from this country, which is really authentic, is balsamic of Modena. It's fantastic, all right? They are usually served even some red wine with dinner party. They are fantastic. You can serve it for breakfast. You can serve it for dinner. And if you have any leftover, this is beautiful, you can use it as a dessert, all right? Just open them up. You can serve with Nutella, ricotta, pistachio, as simple as it is. I'm just going to show you how I make my own one, right? So what you can do, just take one gnocco, whatever you like, place it in there, a little bit of prosciutto, as simple as it is. I'm gonna take just a little bit of soft cheese, yeah? Ricotta is fantastic as well. Just go with a little bit of ricotta on the top, like that. Another beautiful ingredient, some balsamic of Modena, just on the top. Beautiful, just like that. So there we are, Emilia-Romagna, gnocchi fritto, Italian dishes. This is very authentic, it's bellissimo. I hope you really like it. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Ciao!